So today we are going to learn what we are going to learn that how can we split JSON data. So okay, so you can search here JSON recursive splitter. So here you can see how to split the JSON data. So here we need to click on this, and after that we need to click on this. Okay, so how to split JSON data? So this JSON splitter split JSON data while allowing control over chunk size. It traverses JSON data depth first and build smaller JSON chunks. It attempts to keep nested JSON object whole, but will split them if needed to keep chunk between a minimum chunk and size and maximum chunk size. If the value is not nested JSON but rather a very small string, the string will not be split. Okay, so here you can see recursive. So we need to recursive JSON splitter to split the JSON data. Okay, so JSON also a data. So we need to split in small documents. Okay, so we can use recursive JSON splitter from LangChain. Okay, so this class provide a method to split JSON data into smaller dictionaries. Okay, so it will split data in a smaller dictionaries or JSON formatted string based on configurable maximum and minimum chunk size. Okay, it support nested JSON structure optionally convert list into a dictionary for better chunking and allow the creation of document object for further use. So here you can see here I am going to pass maximum chunk and maximum minimum chunk size. Okay, so and the class LangChain text splitter dot JSON recursive character text splitter, and inside this maximum chunk size and minimum chunk size. Okay, these are the parameters maximum and minimums. Okay, so here you can see the minimum size for chunk default 2000 and minimum chunk size is none, or chunk size is minus 200 with the lower bound of 50. Okay, so these are the parameters and attributes maximum chunk size and minimum chunk size. Methods init method create document split JSON and split text. Okay, so now I am going to write code. So here, okay, so I am going to take this URL, select virtual environment, and we can search this URL here so that we can see. Okay, so these are the dictionaries, JSON data in dictionaries. Okay, so here after this I need to print this, that we can see what is inside this URL. Okay, so this is our JSON data. Okay, so now I am going to split this. So what I am going to use from LangChain text. Where is the text? Okay, so this one from LangChain text splitter. Okay, import recursive character नहीं, recursive JSON splitter. Okay, so JSON text splitter, JSON splitter underscore splitter equals to recursive JSON splitter. max chunk size equals to max chunk size equals to 300. I took max chunk size is 300. Okay, and by default minimum chunk size equals to 0, or you can keep by your on according to your need. Okay, so JSON chunk equals to JSON splitter this one dot split what JSON. Okay, now I am going to pass here JSON data, this one. Now I am going to apply for loop for chunk in JSON chunk. It will give 0 to 3. I use colon JSON chunk in a JSON chunk, print chunks, print what chunk. Okay, so these are the chunks. Splitter can also split output document. So here docs equals to JSON underscore splitter dot create document. Here I am going to pass text equals to in square bracket JSON underscore data. Okay, now recursive JSON create document got unexpected argument text equals to JSON data. What happening here, yaar? JSON text splitter create document text equals to JSON underscore data. Here I am gonna check in my another file I have, this one. Okay, so this is my output print doc from 0 3 to 0 0 to 3, sorry. And after that I need to write here text equals to JSON underscore splitter dot split text, and here I'm going to pass JSON data. Now I'm gonna print text 0 print text one. Okay guys, so this is our output. So you can see here, if you have JSON data in JSON, so you need to upload URL, or you can also upload JSON file, okay, so that you have your JSON data, okay, like this in dictionaries and inside it list. Okay, after that you need to apply a recursive JSON splitter. Okay, so here you need to create max chunk size, okay, and split its different chunks and print chunks by using for loop. Here you can also split output of this. So here doc JSON splitter create document, okay, then you by using for loop you print it from 0 to 3, okay, this document, and after that it is split and print the output for 0 text and text one. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you. If you have any doubt, please do comment.